Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am MD Nurun Nabi Talukdar, Assistant Teacher, Madhok Pasha Chanudip High School and College, Madhok Pasha, Babuganj, Borishal. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, I am well by His grace. I think you all are at your home and you are carrying on your studies properly. As we know that due to COVID-19, the schools, colleges and universities have been closed for a long time. But for your benefit and for the continuing your studies properly, the present government and the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina are running the online classes by the teachers of different institutions. So we all expect that you all are connected with our online classes. So I advise you to maintain the rules of hygiene and to carry on your studies properly and to join with our online classes. In our previous class, we discussed about a graph. Today, we will discuss about a pie chart. Look everybody, I wrote a question on the board and also I draw a pie chart on the board. In your examinations, you have to describe a graph or a pie chart. You may find graph or you may find pie chart in your examinations. So you have to gather knowledge about graph and pie chart. Look everybody, there is a question on the board. Look at the following pie chart. Look at the following pie chart. Hold a minute. Look at the following pie chart. It shows the choice of professions by different educated years in Bangladesh. Now describe the pie chart in your own words in 150. You are advised to highlight and summarize the information given in the pie chart. Here I drew a pie chart, and this pie chart indicates different professions choosing by educated year of Bangladesh. And I note something here. In your question paper, you will find a question by like this. Okay, 40%, 30%, 10%, 8%, 7%, and 5%. 40% prefer government jobs. 30% choose jobs of private sectors. 10% foreign jobs. 8% like business. 7% like ICT jobs. 5% opt for farming. In this pie chart, there are some informations So you have to describe these informations in your own words. In our previous class, I discussed about the importance of developing writing skills, and I advised you to practice to write easy sentences at your home. I think you all are continuing this. If you can continue this process to write something in your own words in easy sentences, you will be able to write something. Besides, you have to develop your vocabulary. Now listen, everybody. In the pie chart, when you describe a pie chart, you can start the answer by writing this sentence. The pie chart shows the choice of professions by different educated here in Bangladesh. You will write what's the question about. So you can write or you can start your answer by writing this sentence. The pie chart shows the choice of professions by different educated here in Bangladesh. You can easily use this sentence when you start to write. Then, when you describe a pie chart, you will start to describe from the highest percentage. In the pie chart, it is clear to us that 40% educated here in Bangladesh prefer government jobs. In the pie chart, it is clear to us that about 40% educated here in Bangladesh prefer government jobs, and it is the highest percentage of preferring, of the educated here choosing their professions. Now you can describe the next information. On the other hand, about 30% educated here in Bangladesh choose jobs of private sector. Some of the educated here choose or like or prefer the jobs in private sectors, and the percentage is 30%. Because government jobs are not available for all the educated here of Bangladesh. So many students, after completing their graduation, they prefer the jobs in private sector. The percentage of jobs in private sector are shown in the pie chart to 30%. Then you will describe the next information. We can see that in the graph about 10% educated here in Bangladesh prefer foreign jobs. That means some of the educated here like to go to abroad, and the percentage is 10%. Okay. Then you will describe the next percentage. In the pie chart, we can see that about 8% educated here in Bangladesh prefer or like business. Some of the students, after completing their higher education, want to operate a business of his own. They don't like to do jobs under some people or men. So they want to be self-reliant, and for this, after completing their higher studies, they start to run a business. So the percentage of the educated here in Bangladesh liking business is 8%. And we can also see that about or some students after completing their higher education they prefer ICT jobs because today's world is the world of internet, and we can see that in every space of our life there is a very importance of internet technology. So many students after completing their education they prefer the jobs related ICT, and the percentage of educated here like ICT jobs is 7%. And it is a shocking news for us that only 5% educated here opt for farming. Yes, Bangladesh is an agricultural country, but it is unfortunate that the farmers of our country are very poor. But what we can do with the illiterate farmer? It is very regret to us that the educated here don't opt for farming, and for this our agriculture is still at the gambling hand of the nation. If the educated here come forward after completing their higher education to opt for farming, then our agriculture will be developed. And it is very essential for us to develop our agricultural sector. So, the educated here should come forward to take the agriculture as their professions. If the educated here take the profession of farming, then Bangladesh may prosper very rapidly. You can write this sentence to enlarge your answers. Now I give you some minutes to think about this. Then I will again describe. Again I am telling about this question. Look everybody, look at the following pie chart. We will read out the questions first and we will try to understand what items, what things, what matters, what will we discuss or describe. We have to identify this. So you have to understand the meaning of the question. Look at the following pie chart. It shows the choice of professions by different educated youth in Bangladesh. Now describe the pie chart in your own words in 150. You are advised to highlight and summarize the information given in the pie chart. And there are some information included in the pie chart. 40% prefer government jobs, 30% choose jobs of private sector, 10% foreign jobs, 8% like business, 7% like ICT jobs, 5% opt for farming. Some informations are given in the pie chart. So you have to describe this information in your own words. When you will start to write your answer, you can use this sentence. You don't use it. In first sentence, you don't use pronoun. You will use the pie chart shows the choice of professions by different educated year in Bangladesh. You can write this sentence. Then you will describe. You will start to describe the pie chart from the highest percentage. The highest percentage of the pie chart is 40%. So we can write about 40% educated youth in Bangladesh prefer government jobs, and it is the highest percentage of preferring different professions. As Bangladesh is a developing country, so most of the students after completing their higher education they prefer government jobs, and they think that there is a sustainability about the government job. So majority percent of the students prefer government jobs after completing their education. And on the other hand, or you can also write this sentence, in the second stage the percentage of people of educated youth liking professions is in private sector. You can write easy sentence, about 30% educated youth in Bangladesh choose jobs of private sector. Most of the students after completing their higher education they want to do private jobs, because most of the students don't get the opportunity to find government jobs. For this they prefer private sector jobs, and there is a reason behind this. Most of the students want to income a handsome salary, and in private sector there is an opportunity to income handsome salary. So most of the students after completing their higher studies they prefer jobs in private sectors. On the other hand, about 10% students prefer foreign jobs. Some students after completing their higher education go to abroad and they earn money living abroad, and the percentage is 10%, and the next percentage is 8%. Some educated youth like to run a business after completing their higher education. Many educated youth think by running a business I can be self-reliant. To become self-reliant, many students start a business after completing their education. So the percentage of educated youth liking business is 8%. The next position is in 7%. Students or educated youth like ICT jobs. Some educated youth like ICT jobs, because today's world is largely dependent on ICT, and there is a digitalization process in our country, and many educated youth want to prefer the jobs of including ICT. So many educated youth prefer ICT related jobs, and it is shocking for us that though Bangladesh is an agricultural country, most of the educated youth don't opt for farming, and the percentage is very low, and it is shown to 5%. If the educated youth don't prefer farming, our economy can't be developed, and for the sustainability of our economy, the educated youth should come forward to opt for farming. Then the real development of our country will be possible. You can include this sentence also. So, my dear friends, I advise you to try to write something about this topic at your home. If you Don't write correct sentence, there is no matter. But it is most important to try to write something. So, I request you to try to write something in your own words. My today's class is about to pray for me, I pray for you. Keep well. Thanks everybody to watch my online class. Bye.